Hi everyone, I'm going to be sharing with you a fun project that I had made in this video, and I'm also going to show you how I made them. And what I'd made were these cute mini envelope style pockets, and I made them using my basic die shapes and also how it looks like when it's all finished. If you don't have any of the dies or a die cutting machine, you can also make these cute little envelopes with just other shapes of your own that you may have using your paper punch, or you can also cut out the shapes yourself. So what I had made were these cute little pockets here, and these are the finished projects. I made them using the Cocoa Vanilla More Than Words paper collection for all of these projects. And you can get the paper collection from sassyscrappers.com.au. I'll put the link to their online store down below. They have a great range of brand paper collections and all your crafting supply needs as well. So these are really great papers. I did do a craft haul in my last video with all the papers that I had received from Sassy Scrappers, so if you wanted to head over and have a look at the fun paper collections that I had received, you can head over there. But yes, the Cocoa Vanilla paper collection, More Than Words, it was a great paper to work with. So these are the projects that I'd made, and again I'll show you how you can make these little cute pockets. So what I'd done was I made these little pockets, and then I'd made a tag with the same shape, and I'll show you what I've got inside and how the pocket looks like. So I've got in here a cute little flag banner that I made using a wood pick with a pom-pom, and there's a cute little heart charm dangle there, and this is one of my word sentiments. And I've got in here a little pack of word sentiments that I also have as well. I also have a Etsy store where some of these stuff that I've got here you will be able to purchase in my store, and I'll put the link of my store down below too. And these are just some of my ticker strips that I had made myself. It's really lovely soft colors in this paper. And so this is the cute little envelope that I've made, which was this shape here using my flower die shape, and then I turned it into a cute little pocket. Then I embellished the front. I added a eyelet and one of these dangle clips. And this one here, I'll just put these back there. And this one here, I use a plain circle die to make the for the back, and this is the pocket that I made this circle shaped die out of. And in this pocket, I put in some tags using the coordinating papers. Oops, I'll show you this one since it's fallen out. And this is another of my little pick that I've made, which is similar to this one. Let's just come off the top. I didn't glue it down properly. Then I put a little tassel, and then I packed in some of my crocheted heart embellishments. This is a tag topper. Sorry, it's a tab die for your page tab. I've made it into a topper. I have these in my store as well, these little tabs. And that's the pocket that I made out of this circle shape. It's really cute, and I embellished it with the ephemeras that come in the pack as well. And here's just a pom-pom trim. And this is another one. This is with a different size die shape with like a scalloped edge around it. And I've got here a charm dangle that I've made. I have this in my store. Well, I will have this listed in my store. I'll have this size, this style with a heart and a little envelope charm. I'll have that, and I'll also have this one here in my store which has a butterfly on it. So that's really another fun way to add these little charms to your projects. And I've placed a satin ribbon here which you could just take off easily if you don't want that on the charm dangle. So I'll have those two styles listed in my store. And I've got in here a pocket with a coordinating tag and a mini envelope as well. And that's the pocket that I'd made for with this shape, and it's a slightly larger to this size, and then that's the other size here. So these are just fun, cute little mini envelopes you can make yourself with your die shapes. And I'll just show you as well this cute little set here that I've got. I'm just going to show you. You can purchase these in my store. I've got it as a little do-it-yourself mini kit pack. And what you receive in there is you'll get 2 envelopes, you'll get a tag and a pocket. And also, I'm just going to place all these to the side. You'll also get in that little do-it-yourself mini kit, you'll get 6 of these word sentiments that I've made myself or printed out myself, with 2 doilies. And in the pack it will be a random kit with a coordinating set of the same papers. So if you do want to purchase this, you will get just a random print, but all as the same in one set. So they're a fun little starter little kit for you to make for your Happy Mail or for any of your projects. And that will be also listed in my store as well. So it's just a good little way to get you started on your projects. And then what I'd also made were some really tiny little mini embellished envelopes. These are so cute. Look how cute they are. Again, I use the same papers by Cocoa Vanilla. How cute are these? I'll show you how to make these. It's really, really easy. I've put in there a cute little tag. You can write on there if you want. So that's just a nice little way to add an embellished envelope to your projects. And these are all of those word sentiments that I was showing you. And these little flowers I fussy cut out of one of their tour by tour paper. And it's another one. Really fun and really easy to make. So what I'm going to do, I'll just show you how to make the larger one and then how to make the smaller one. All I've done here was, if you don't have a die cutting machine, like I said, you can just cut a template of a round circle. You can also use a rectangular shape, square shape, any shape that you like to use to make these little envelopes. So what I've done, all I've done here was I've got a metal ruler, and then, well, you don't have to use it. I just find it's an easy way to be able to fold your paper. And all I've done was I've just placed it along one side and just making sure it's nice and straight, and then I'm just going to just bring it up. It's just an easy way for me to give myself a crease line, and then I'm just going to fold that in, and that will give me the side. And then I'll do the same to the other side, just eyeballing it just to be able to get the right width of where I want to fold it. So with any shape, it's really the same way. You only need to fold 3 sides. 2 sides on this side and then the bottom. I'm just going to, my one is not quite, and then I can just press it down. So that gives you your side for your pocket, and then you just fold your bottom one up, and you just need to fold it as high or as far you want it to, or how deep you want your pocket to be. So that you can just decide how deep you want your pocket. I just got mine about there. And this size here, I'm not too sure what size this is, but again, you can just use any circle shape to make this size, or any size shape. And then if you wanted to, I don't have my scissors with me here, you can open this up, and then you've got these little corners here. You can just cut that out. I'm going to see if I can grab my scissors. Give me 1 second. I've moved my trolley down the back, so I don't have my scissors. I don't have my scissors in here. But you can cut these cute little squares out, and then it'll just be an easy way so it's not too bulky for you. Otherwise, you can just glue it down, which I'll just do here. And all you do here is you just glue this down, and then glue the other side down, and just bring it up and just seal that. But with these ones I cut mine out just so it wasn't too bulky. And that makes your pocket. And then all I'd done was I used the same shape, and then I backed that onto the back of the same shape. And that's how you make your cute little pocket. And I do have these in my store for you as well. If you don't have a die cutting machine, I will have in my store the same as what I've got here. So you will get 9 pieces. You'll get, again, all random prints. You will get 3 of these shapes to make your envelopes, which is the same as this one. And all you do is follow the same way I've done this envelope. There'll also be 3 different pattern of this circle one. It's got a lovely stitch edging around the edge. And the 3 flower shaped one. These also have a nice stitch edging around the edge too, and that's this one down here. So you'll get 9 of those, 3 of each of these shapes, and I'll also put in there 6 of the word sentiments as well in the pack. I put in there 6 of these for you also to use in your projects. I mean, you don't have to use these shapes to make envelopes. You can use these for other projects, but that will be listed in my store. So that's for the larger envelope. And then to make these cute little tiny ones, all you need to do is, if you have a paper punch, or you can just cut out your own circles. I'm just going to see where my ones are. I did cut some out. We're going to use these ones here. So all I've done was, this is a 2.5 inch size circle, and that's to make this size here that I've done. So it's just a 2.5 inch circle, and the other shape, which was this one here, is just like a scalloped edge circle, which is also roughly about 2.5 inches. And again, I've just done the same thing. I've just did the same as I've done with the larger circle. I've just used my metal ruler and just sort of bring it up like that, and then just pressing it down, and then the same with the other side as well, and just sort of evening up the sides to make them the same. And then just folding it down, and then just bringing the bottom one up to as far you want, or how deep you want your pocket, and we'll just glue that bottom, and that makes a cute little envelope, or little mini envelope. And you can still add a little tag or a little message in there if you like. I just think these are real fun little projects and really fast. So that's the cute little pocket you could make, although this one's a bit wider than the one that I've made here, but as you can see, you can make them as wide as you want or as narrow as you want. So I'll let that set, and that's how to make those ones. And also I'll have those in my store as well. The shapes, you'll get a random pack of different shaped scallop circles and the plain circles, and there will be 12 pieces in that pack. You'll get 6 of this shape here, and you will also get 6 of the round circle ones. So there will be 12 pieces, also with 6 of these word sentiments in there as well. And then you can make all these cute little envelopes with these little shapes. So that's just a fun project for you if you wanted to make your own cute little mini envelope style pockets. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll put all the links down below for Sassy Scrapper store, also for my online my Etsy store if you wanted to purchase the little kits. And I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and project share. Bye.